So this is the code for lesson 83's assignment, debouncing a button that's using an interrupt. Starts out, the program is very similar to what you showed us in the lesson, importing pin and time, setting up the button pin, the red pin, and setting a press variable to 0. Down here I also set the p time old to 0, similar to what you had shown us in the lesson. Set up the button as well as the LED. In the function, I have the global being the press variables and the p time old, and then I collect the press time with the time ticks, and then I do a comparison of if the press time minus the press time old is less than 125 milliseconds. I just set press time old to press time and then exit the function. If it's greater, then it just continues on, and then the press equals press plus 1. The print triggered the red LED toggles, and again here, since we didn't get through this if statement before, but here we set the p time old to the p time that was this time through the loop. And then here's the interrupt on the watch button, and I have it set with a falling. And as you'll be able to see, I was able to get 50 successful different types of pushes without a bounce. I had to play with this timing here. I originally had it set to 100 and it mostly worked, but every now and then I would get a weird press that I didn't expect, and then I tried changing it to 150, and every now and then it would miss one of the quick ones. So 125 seemed to be a happy medium that I couldn't make break. I'm not sure if that's the ideal time or not, but it seems to be what worked for me. I had to do the other video 3 times with the other different timings because I thought I had it, and then got close to the end of the 50 presses and I had one that either misfired or didn't fire. So this seems to be, at least for my setup and my finger, a happy medium. So I don't know if this was the solution that you'll show us. I'm also not sure if I need this integer. I was getting a weird type error, but I think it might have been the way I originally had the variable set up. I'm going to try removing that and see if I can just get rid of this, converting this to an integer, or if that's really needed. But this is what I have, and it seems to have worked for the assignment. Here's lesson 83's assignment, the debouncing a switch that's using an interrupt. I'm trying to get it so that you can see both the switch and the LED as well as the output on the screen. I'll start the program. Now I'll do some long pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now some fast pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now some wiggles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now some 2 in a row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now just some varied ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.